Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla and here we love to talk about all things luxury and high-end makeup and beauty. So today, I know it's a little early, but we're gonna be talking about my February favorites and a fail. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, then just keep watching. So first up, I wanna talk about what I have on my eyes, y'all. It is the Shantakai Giraffe Eye Quad for spring. I did a full review and demo on this, so I will link that video down below. But I have just really been loving. Sorry if I'm blinding you. Sorry if it is a little dirty. But I have just really been loving this quad, specifically this shade down here. I've been using that as like a one and done shade and it is really beautiful. All of the shades are just so creamy and so blendable. I use all four of them on my eyes today. I use that white shade like in my inner corner and right up under my brow. And it's just really beautiful. I know it's a little pricey, but if you can afford it, like I highly recommend it. So next, which is also on my eyes, is the Victoria Beckham Satin Kajal in the olive shade. Y'all know I love greens in the form of eyeshadow, eyeliner, so I of course had to pick this one up. I didn't review it or anything, but let me go ahead and do a swatch for y'all. I don't know if I would say that it's olive. To me, it's more of like a forest kind of like jungle green. But like, it's beautiful nonetheless. I have it on my eyes today and I have been loving using this little sponge on the other side of the liner to just kind of smudge it out. My only downside with these, y'all, and I don't think that I've talked about it yet, but for contact wearers, let me know in the comment section down below if y'all have the problem of even like I can put on the tiniest little bit of this and it's still gonna get on my contact somehow. I love it and I'm gonna continue wearing it, but I don't know. I love it. Maybe it's just because it's so creamy and so blendable, but I always get a little spot on my contacts, but like I don't even care because it's beautiful. So next is the mascara that I'm wearing. It is the Kjaer Weis. It's either I'm Possible or Impossible mascara. And I have really been loving this mascara, y'all. I love that it is refillable. Here's the brush. So it's got like this flat, it's kind of flat as you can see, but then it has the bristles also like on the top and the bottom. And it just creates the most beautiful, fluffy lashes, like natural looking lashes. It's not gonna give you like that fake lash effect or anything like that, but it just looks beautiful and natural. And I've really been loving it. I don't think I've ever tried like a natural, clean, vegan mascara that I've actually enjoyed, but I've really been liking this one. So I don't have these on my eyes, but it is more eyeshadow that I wanted to talk about. It's these Phytosurgence Flash Fluorescence eyeshadows, as well as these Bodiography glitter pigments. So I have quite a few of these Phytosurgence shades now. This right here that I picked out is the shade Deeply Rooted. It's like this brown with like a blue shift. It's just really stunning. And I have been reaching for these just about every day because it's so quick, it's so easy, and I am just like really obsessed with this brand as a whole. And I kind of want like everything. Their blushes, their spectral shine, I talked about that in last month's favorites. Their brushes, everything. They're just absolutely fantastic. And then I've been liking putting one of these on and then topping it with one of these Bodiography glitter pigments every day. This right here is the shade Sparkler, and I mean, yeah, I think a lot of people know about these. If you don't, you need to pick them up. They're very similar to the Hourglass, the little, shit, I can't remember the name of them. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The little glitter eyeshadow pots by Hourglass. I don't really buy anything from them anymore because I don't agree with how they're handling shade ranges and things like that. But anyways, I digress. They're very similar to those, but they're cheaper and they're like 1,000,000 times better. So I have been loving both of these. Also want to talk about some skincare, y'all. Okay, I know I don't do this too often because y'all know like I'm obsessed with Shantakai skincare, but I have been hearing about Beauty Pie for quite some time now. But I have a friend who was like, Kayla, you really just need to try it. Their products are absolutely fantastic and they're really, really affordable. So I have been using this Beauty Pie, I think it's Japan Fusion Pure Transforming Cleanser. I have been using this as a first cleanse. So it's a balmy kind of texture and it removes all of my makeup. And so I go in with this to take my makeup off, and then I go in with a cleanser afterwards. And I know I said before that the Shantakai Rose de Mai Cleansing Balm is the only thing that's never broken me out that is like a oil cream makeup remover, but we found a new winner, y'all, and it is a fraction of the price. And I feel like this makes my face feel more soft after using it. And yeah, so I'm definitely going to be getting a Beauty Pie subscription now. If you're not familiar with it, you pay like, I think it's like 60 bucks and you get access to like all this makeup and skincare at like a fraction of the price. This is like 20 bucks, but all of the ingredients are like top notch. So if you don't have a subscription, you have to pay a lot for this, but if you have the subscription, it's really cheap. And I have also been loving this Japan Fusion Genius Lift Elixir. I was looking for something to replace my Shantakai by Lifting Serum, and my friend that's been using this said that it's a really, really good alternative. And I love it, y'all. I really feel like these two products together have like really made a difference in my skin. And once I run out of the Shantakai products, I'm definitely gonna be replacing them with these. Not because I don't love the Shantakai. Like if you have the money for the Shantakai, then like by all means get the Shantakai. But we have a budget. Going into the new year, I'm really trying to be more conscious of how I spend my money when it comes to makeup and skincare and beauty, as well as trying to find like cheaper alternatives. So I have really, really been loving these, and I cannot wait to try more from Beauty Pie. So last but certainly not least, we have a fail. And if you're not new to my channel, you're probably gonna already know what it is. It's this new Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. Y'all, I got this complimentary from Influencer, but I was gonna pick it up anyways, and I hate it. I'm seeing now, and I've had several comments from y'all on my video that I did on this, which I'll link that down below as well, that this was not intended for dry skin. I don't really consider myself to be dry. I consider myself to be combo, and this was awful. It looks cakey, it's drying, it broke me out, and I think they just really need to go back to the old formula of this, because that one was very well loved by a lot of people. If you want to hear like a full review on this, see my application of it, I will link my review of it down below, but this was a major fail for me. So that's all of the products that I've been loving this month and not loving. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've tried any of these products, if you love any of these products, or if you don't love these products. And if you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our little fam here on YouTube. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.